Finally, the video you've been waiting for. Today I'm sharing my full Ayurvedic wash day routine, and I'm starting out by applying my DIY Ayurvedic hair growth mask to my hair in 4 sections. This is a mask that I've been using in my hair for years, like since 2017, and it has not failed me yet, so I continue to do so. After parting my hair in 4 sections, I do apply the mask evenly, and then I will put a plastic cap on my hair and keep it in for probably about 4 hours, 8 hours at the most during the day. But if I do have time, I will actually leave this in overnight. Now you're seeing me rinse out this mask, and I think the most important part of this process is just patience. Not rushing this part, because I am making sure that I'm rinsing out all of those herbs and rinsing out all of the clay. This is the part that a lot of naturals complain about the most, because you definitely don't want to be walking around with crunchy, stiff hair that has buildup. Now you're seeing me going with my DIY shampoo mix. This is the one that has shikakai and ACV. It definitely allows my hair to be thoroughly cleansed, and so I continue to use it over the years because it's definitely what's been working for me. You're also going to see me focusing on my scalp and my ends, which I think is really important for that shampoo session. I also run my fingers through my hair for proper detangling before I actually use a comb. Right here, I'm actually just removing some shed hairs, and I'm going to show you guys how much I got out. I'm still using a scalp brush. This helps to increase circulation to the scalp, which definitely pretty much leads to hair growth. And so I definitely try to make sure I get in some of this during all of my wash day sessions. Now I'm using a wide tooth comb to continue detangling my hair to make sure that my hair is soft for moisturization. I'm just rinsing out a cheap conditioner right here. This is pretty much wrapping up my shower session. My hair is really soft at this point. It's really clean at this point, and this is exactly what I'm going for on wash day to make sure that my hair is prepped and ready for the LCO method. This is what my hair is looking like once it's thoroughly clean. I have shampooed, I have deep conditioned, I have co-washed, and it's definitely time to get out of the shower and get my hair moisturized. Alright, so after about 95 years, I'm finally done washing my hair. This is going to be my LCO method. I'm using my DIY whipped shea butter, Olive Miracles moisturizing lotion, a water bottle, my DIY Ayurvedic hair growth oil, and that's about it. So now you're actually going to see me section off my hair. I usually try to reapply some water just to make sure my hair is fully hydrated so that it can stay moisturized. So I split each section, and here you see me doing that, but I ran into a little bit of a tangle, and the key here is when this happens is to not yank at it. I usually just smooth my hands over it, and as you can see, it pretty much came right out. So let's try this again. I am splitting each of the 4 sections into probably about 2 or 3 to make some 2-strand twists. And this method has carried me through for over a decade. My hair stays moisturized for long periods of time. As I mentioned earlier, I'm going to go back in with some water for the liquid part of the LCO method. And then use the praying hands method to make sure that my hair is definitely staying smoothed out. I'm going in next with the Olive Miracles moisturizing lotion. I've also been using this for so many years. It's pretty much unmatched at this point, so I'm going to continue to use it. And then I am running my fingers through my hands because I need my hair to be smooth. So yes, I still do use combs. Sometimes I use a wide tooth comb, sometimes I use a smaller comb, but ultimately my goal is to make sure that my hair is tangle free when it comes to moisturizing. Next, I'm going in with my DIY whipped shea butter. I do change this recipe over the summertime just to be able to combat dryness from that summer sun. Shea butter has definitely been a game changer for locking in moisture for me, so ever since I discovered it, just saying, it's become a staple. So you're gonna see me here combing through that section of hair after I've applied the shea butter to it. If you need to go ahead and reapply some water at this point, that's a good idea. You definitely don't want your hair drying out during this process. I love the praying hands method for keeping my hair smooth. And then last but not least, I'm actually going to go in with my Ayurvedic hair growth oil. If you have not seen how I'm making this, then definitely go to my channel in my YouTube shorts, because I shared exactly how I made this oil and I've been using it for forever. And it's definitely the best way for me to lock in moisture and add nutrients to my hair on a weekly basis. So finally at the point where I'm going to two-strand twist. This is just the way that I'm using to moisturize and dry my hair, because I do not use heat on my hair quite frequently, probably once every several years. So this is my way of moisturizing my hair, and then these twists overnight will dry, probably takes about 12 hours, and then after that I'll usually take them out and then style my hair a few days later. Showing you guys what my twists are looking like. I am going to put my bonnet on and go to sleep. It is pretty much midnight. I do not know why I do this to myself. It's so crazy how much hair I have, how big my hair gets, but then after the first two-strand twist after wash date, my twists look very boneless. But I want you guys to highlight, check out the shine. Do you guys see the shine? My hair is extremely moisturized, extremely soft, really shiny, and over the days my hair will grow bigger.